Hi, Falcons. Today, you're going to be working from home virtually. And I really want you to zero in on the essential question for today and throughout this week. How can one person make a difference? I want you to think about that. How can one person make a difference? I want you to read the following questions. Think about each one and write a brief response. And here's the questions I want you to think about. How has somebody made a difference in your life? Tell me about it. Do you think it is possible for one person to make a change? Why or why not? For example, if you say no, why do you think that? Or if you say yes, why do you think that? And can you share an example? And lastly, what could you do to make a difference in someone else's life? Maybe you can share an example of a time that you have done something and made a difference in someone's life. Our vocabulary words this week are boycott, encouragement, fulfill, injustice, mistreated, protest, qualified, and registered. The story we're going to be reading this week is about a real life lady. Her name is Judy, and she really didn't like what was going on in her hometown in West Virginia. And so we're going to be reading about her biography, and finding out how she made a difference, not just in her community, but really in a lot further outreach than that. This page is going to give you each of the words' definitions. And lastly, today in your lesson, you're going to log into Clever, click on the McGraw-Hill SSO icon, find the textbook and your to-do list, and you're going to play this vocabulary practice and complete it. That's today's lesson.